Here at AXA, we'll help you fail-proof your future through the 4 basic principles of financial planning. You work hard because you want the best things in life for yourself and for your family. So, begin identifying what it is you want by setting SMART goals, making sure they are specific, with clear details, measurable, with a concrete amount, attainable but challenging enough, realistic with the necessary skills and knowledge, and it should be time-bound with a deadline so you do not delay taking action. By focusing on what's important, you'll have better chances in achieving your financial goals. Next, you need to know where you stand financially. What and how much assets do you own? What and how much do you owe? The difference between your assets and your liabilities determines your true net worth, the true measure of your wealth. And it can give you an indication of how far or near you are to your goals. When you know how much you will need to get to your goals, it is best to understand the principle of saving. It's common that people save what is left from their income. But the right way is to pay yourself first. Set aside 10 to 20% of your income for your savings, and use what is left for your expenses. You'll also need to create a budget and manage your finances. Budgets help you keep focused on saving more. Also remember that payment of personal debt should not exceed 20% of your income. Through these simple financial planning principles, we want to help you achieve a more secure future for you and your family. AXA, redefining standards.